Well, here's my dream job. Finally, after 15 years, I have these two racks of Coleman lanterns. I don't know how well you can see them. I have all them to service, make sure they're good to go. I have all these Peak 1 stoves. And of course, Coleman Stoves. So this is great. I got parts, I got globes up there on that shelf. I got everything I need to repair these lanterns. A lot of them are in sorry shape. A lot of the globes are broken. Pump cups are screwed in them. A couple generators are in S. Check valves. A couple check valves are gone, not working. So this is just great. And they're all 290s, 290As. So there's like stacks of them here, as you can see. It's going to take me a couple weeks to probably do this. I got about 15 done now. So I should be able to get most of these operational. Or in good working order anyway. Because they're used and abused, right? The fuel's never drained, or they're thrown around, tossed around. So I got my own room here to work in. Oh, this is just great. So we'll see how many I can get done in the next couple of weeks. All Coleman lanterns. The bottom is all Coleman stoves.